Orisha Orunmila, the Orisa of wisdom, divination, and destiny. Orunmila is the central figure in the Ifá divination system, and is revered as the Orisa of wisdom, foresight, and the custodian of destiny. He is the guide and interpreter of the Odù Ifá, helping humans navigate their spiritual paths and align with divine will. Orisha Orunmila, the witness to all destinies, embodies divine wisdom, foresight, and guidance. As the Orisha of Ifá, he is the custodian of knowledge, the master of divination, and the one who reveals the hidden truths of the universe. He governs the principles of destiny, balance, and human choices, ensuring that those who seek his wisdom find the right path in life. His presence in the 16 Odù Méjì reveals his role as the guardian of fate, the teacher of moral discipline, and the one who shows that true enlightenment comes from understanding and aligning with one's destiny. Orunmila signifies themes of knowledge, clarity, and the ability to make informed decisions through spiritual alignment. In Eji Agba, Orunmila manifests as the supreme embodiment of wisdom, bringing divine illumination to those who seek the truth. He teaches that knowledge is the key to success, and that those who live by wisdom will always find favor. In Oyeku Meji, he governs the mysteries of life and death, revealing that all things must pass through cycles of transformation. Here, he reminds us that death is not an end but a transition into another phase of existence, and that understanding one's destiny helps prepare for all stages of life. Iwari Meji highlights his role as the master of problem-solving, showing that through divination and patience, any difficulty can be overcome. He teaches that those who seek Ifá's wisdom will always find solutions. In Odi Meji, Orunmila governs the discipline of self-control and the importance of spiritual integrity. He teaches that knowledge without character is dangerous, and that wisdom must be paired with moral conduct. Irison Meji reveals his connection to divine protection, showing that those who follow Ifá's teachings are safeguarded from harm. Here, he reminds us that alignment with destiny is the greatest shield against misfortune. Onrin Meji portrays him as the revealer of secrets, ensuring that hidden truths come to light at the right time. He teaches that everything happens according to divine timing, and rushing fate leads to unnecessary hardship. In Obara Meji, Orunmila appears as the one who bestows prosperity and success, but only to those who use wealth responsibly. He teaches that material blessings must be accompanied by wisdom and generosity. Okonran Meji presents him as the guide who helps navigate the unpredictable turns of life, revealing that trust in destiny brings stability even in chaotic times. He teaches that flexibility and adaptability are essential virtues. Ogunda Meji highlights his role as the strategist, showing that intelligence and planning lead to victory. He teaches that brute force alone is not enough, one must be wise in their battles. In Osa Meji, he governs the realm of prophecy and insight, showing that Ifá's wisdom allows people to foresee and prevent misfortunes. He teaches that those who ignore divine warnings will suffer unnecessarily. Ika Meji emphasizes his role in healing, revealing that many illnesses stem from spiritual imbalances. He teaches that true healing involves aligning one's destiny with the divine will. Oturupan Meji portrays him as the master of sacred rituals, ensuring that ceremonies and offerings are done correctly to maintain harmony in life. He teaches that neglecting spiritual responsibilities leads to disconnection from one's path. In Otura Meji, Orunmila governs the unfolding of destiny, reminding us that life is a journey of learning and growth. He teaches that patience and trust in divine wisdom lead to fulfillment. Irate Meji reveals him as the protector of Ifá traditions, ensuring that knowledge is preserved and passed down. Oze Meji connects him to the power of purification, showing that cleansing and ritual practices are necessary to remove obstacles and realign with destiny. Finally, in Ofun Meji, Orunmila represents the highest state of enlightenment, where wisdom, discipline, and spiritual mastery come together. He teaches that true power comes not from controlling fate, but from understanding and flowing with it. Across all 16 Odu Meji, Orunmila teaches that knowledge, patience, and alignment with one's destiny are the keys to a fulfilled life. His lesson is clear. Those who seek wisdom respect the sacred teachings of Ifá and walk the path of righteousness will always find divine protection and success. Odù Ifá, the revealer of destiny's path. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà provides guidance to discover and fulfill one's destiny. Myths recount how Òrúnmìlà used divination to assist the first humans in choosing paths that aligned with their spiritual purpose. This Odù teaches the querent to trust in divine wisdom and seek clarity before embarking on new ventures. Odù Ifá, the custodian of life and death. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà mediates the delicate balance between life and death. Myths describe Òrúnmìlà interceding with ìkín, death, to prolong the life of a devotee. This Odù emphasizes the importance of wisdom and spiritual negotiation in navigating life's transitions. Odù Ifá, the illuminator of hidden truths. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà helps reveal hidden truths and solutions to complex problems. Myths tell of Òrúnmìlà uncovering the root cause of a community's suffering through divination, offering remedies to restore harmony. This Odù teaches the querent to seek divine insight when faced with uncertainty. Odù Ifá, the protector of stability. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà provides wisdom to maintain stability in relationships and communities. Myths recount Òrúnmìlà advising a king on how to prevent conflict by fostering understanding among his people. This Odù highlights the role of wisdom in preserving harmony and order. Odù Ifá, the link to ancestral guidance. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà connects the querent to the wisdom of their ancestors. Myths describe Òrúnmìlà facilitating rituals that allowed individuals to access ancestral blessings and protection. This Odù emphasizes the importance of honoring one's lineage for spiritual support. Odù Orunmila, the guide to prosperity. In Odù Orunmila, Òrúnmìlà provides counsel on achieving material and spiritual wealth. Myths tell of Òrúnmìlà guiding a struggling farmer to success by teaching them rituals and practices to align with divine abundance. This Odù encourages the querent to seek balance in their pursuits. Odù Ifá, strength in wisdom. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà offers strength through the application of knowledge and discernment. Myths recount Òrúnmìlà advising a warrior to use strategy rather than brute force to overcome an enemy, resulting in victory. This Odù teaches the power of wisdom in achieving success. Odù Ifá, the arbiter of justice. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà ensures justice and fairness in decision-making. Myths describe Òrúnmìlà resolving disputes by revealing the truth through divination, restoring balance. This Odù highlights the importance of seeking divine counsel to ensure ethical outcomes. Odù Ifá, the clearer of spiritual obstacles. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà removes spiritual obstacles that hinder progress. Myths tell of Òrúnmìlà guiding a devotee through difficult times by identifying and addressing hidden spiritual blockages. This Odù emphasizes the role of persistence and divine insight in overcoming challenges. Odù Ifá, justice and reconciliation. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà works to restore justice and harmony. Myths describe him mediating a conflict between two powerful Òrìṣà, ensuring a fair resolution. This Odù teaches that wisdom and fairness are essential for resolving disputes and maintaining peace. Odù Ifá, the revealer of hidden dangers. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà uncovers hidden dangers that threaten the querent's well-being. Myths tell of Òrúnmìlà warning a king of a plot against his life, allowing him to take preventive action. This Odù encourages vigilance and the proactive use of wisdom to avoid harm. Odù Ifá, the reconciler of differences. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà fosters reconciliation and unity. Myths describe Òrúnmìlà mediating between estranged families, using divination to reveal shared values and goals. This Odù highlights the importance of understanding and collaboration in resolving conflicts. Odù Òtúrá, the Guide to New Horizons. In Odù Òtúrá, Òrúnmìlà inspires exploration and the pursuit of new opportunities. Myths recount how Òrúnmìlà encouraged a young devotee to embrace change, leading to unexpected success. This Odù emphasizes the importance of adaptability and trust in divine guidance. Odù Ifá, Advocate for Ethical Leadership. In Odù Ifá, Òrúnmìlà provides counsel to leaders, emphasizing ethical governance. Myths describe Òrúnmìlà mentoring a ruler on the importance of fairness and accountability, ensuring a prosperous reign. This Odù teaches that strong leadership is rooted in wisdom and integrity. Odù Òsè, the Harmonizer of Spiritual Energy. In Odù Òsè, Òrúnmìlà harmonizes the quorant's spiritual energy to bring balance and abundance. Myths recount how Òrúnmìlà performed rituals to align a community's collective energy, resulting in prosperity. This Odù emphasizes that harmony within invites blessings from the divine. Odù Òpón, the Eternal Source of Wisdom. In Odù Òpón, Òrúnmìlà embodies the eternal flow of divine wisdom. Myths describe him as the unchanging guide, offering clarity and support to humanity across generations. This Odù encourages the quorant to seek timeless truths and align their actions with universal principles.